In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your WordPress dashboard from Hostinger in 2025. Whether you're new to WordPress or simply needing a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your website effectively. Let's dive right in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. It's important that you're logged in with the correct credentials, so go ahead and sign in if you haven't already. Hostinger is a popular and reliable hosting provider that's user-friendly, making it a great choice for managing your WordPress site. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Locate the option labeled Websites. A single click on this option will take you to a new page displaying all the websites associated with your hosting account. Now take a moment to find the specific website you want to manage. This is crucial, especially if you're handling multiple sites through Hostinger. Click on the name of the website you wish to access. This action will redirect you to another section where you can manage all the details related to this particular site. On the newly opened page, you'll notice a button that says See Details. Clicking this will open a detailed view where you can manage and view different aspects of your website. This step is simple, yet important, as it gives you visibility into your site's settings and current status. Next, from the same dashboard area, locate and click on Users. This option will help you navigate to the user management section of the website. It's an essential area if you need to manage user roles or access rights. In the user management area, you'll find an option labeled All User. Click on it. This will display a list of all the users who have access to your site. It's particularly helpful if you're working in a team or need to manage multiple collaborators. Among the users, search for the one with the admin role. This will typically be you if you're managing the account. Click on Edit next to the admin user. Editing your profile is necessary for customizing account settings or updating security details. You'll then see your profile page where you can make various edits. Look for an option to highlight your account settings. This helps you quickly locate and alter specific settings. Now, one of the critical steps. If necessary, set a new password for your account. This is a good practice to enhance security periodically, ensuring that only you have access to the admin panel. Finally, after setting your new password, make sure to click Update Profile. This final step saves all changes you've made, ensuring your updated settings and enhancements are applied correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now successfully access and manage your WordPress dashboard through Hostinger. This process empowers you to make the necessary changes and updates to your site with ease. Thank you for watching and enjoy managing your WordPress site effortlessly.